In this video I'll show you how to edit panels in Kick Streaming. Let's get a look at it. So once you have the Kick Streaming opened, click on your profile picture in right upper corner area and first option channel. Now scroll down and here you can see option edit panels. Click on this plus, choose the panel's title, for example Patreon, add image. You can also crop it here. Write here the URL address, patreon.com, and your profile, and description, for example, support me, and click on add. So the panel was created. I'm gonna add another panel, for example YouTube, add image, youtube.com or your channel, and description. Click on add. Refresh your page and the panels will look like this. If you click on one of these images, it will open the website connected to the image. You can also click on YouTube. You can connect it with your YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.